Before we start this exciting review of the all-new 2026 Volkswagen California T7, make sure to subscribe to V8 Dreams, the ultimate destination for car lovers who crave the latest reviews, deep dives, and honest opinions about the most talked about vehicles around the world. Hit that subscribe button now and join the family, because today we're taking you on a ride that's all about freedom, innovation, and the open road. Yes, it's time to explore the 2026 Volkswagen California T7. The California name has always stood for adventure, a vehicle that lets you take your home wherever the road leads. But with the 2026 T7 generation, Volkswagen has completely redefined what a modern camper van can be. The new California T7 is built on VW's modular MQB platform, and it's bigger, sleeker, and smarter than ever before. On the outside, it looks more like a premium SUV than a traditional van. The front fascia is bolder, with slim LED matrix headlights, a reworked VW badge, and a clean horizontal grille that gives it a modern, confident face. The bumper design is aerodynamic yet strong, featuring air inlets that improve cooling and fuel efficiency. Along the sides, you'll notice the sharper body lines, large sliding doors on both sides, and stylish alloy wheels that range from 17 to 19 inches. The rear keeps it simple but elegant, LED taillights connected by a slim light bar, a powered tailgate, and that iconic California badge that represents decades of wanderlust and independence. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The 2026 California T7 interior feels more like a high-end lounge than a camper van. Volkswagen has made smart use of space, with flexible seating for up to 7 people and a modular interior setup that adapts to your journey. The front cabin feels premium, with a new 12-inch digital driver display and a 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by VW's latest MIB4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and even integrated navigation with real-time route planning for camping spots make it as tech-savvy as your favorite SUV. The materials have improved dramatically too. Soft touch surfaces, customizable ambient lighting, and eco-friendly upholstery give the van a warm yet contemporary vibe. The highlight, as always, is the living and sleeping setup. With the press of a button, the pop-up roof lifts electronically to reveal a cozy upper sleeping area, complete with LED lighting and USB charging ports. Down below, the rear seats fold flat into a comfortable bed, while the kitchenette has been upgraded with a dual-burner stove, fridge, sink, and improved storage. There's even an integrated table that can be used inside or outside the van, perfect for those sunset meals by the beach or in the mountains. Under the hood, the California T7 offers multiple powertrain options to suit every kind of adventurer. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 200 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. For those who want more efficiency, there's also a plug-in hybrid version combining a 1.5-liter TSI engine with an electric motor, delivering up to 245 horsepower and an impressive electric-only range of around 60 kilometers. This hybrid setup makes it ideal for both city cruising and long-distance travel, with smooth transitions and quiet operation. The all-wheel drive 4Motion option ensures you can handle tougher terrains with ease, whether it's gravel trails or mountain paths. On the road, the 2026 California T7 feels refined and stable, thanks to its improved suspension and lighter chassis. The steering is smooth and precise for a van of its size, while adaptive dampers adjust to road conditions for maximum comfort. It's quieter than before too, with excellent insulation that keeps wind and road noise out even at highway speeds. Safety and convenience features are abundant. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and even a 360-degree camera system come standard on most trims. The new driver assist systems make long drives safer and more relaxing, especially when cruising through unfamiliar terrain. Pricing for the 2026 Volkswagen California T7 starts at around $60,000 for the base variant, with higher trims and plug-in hybrid versions reaching up to $75,000 depending on configuration. Given its combination of comfort, versatility, and cutting-edge features, the California remains one of the best camper vans you can buy, perfectly blending adventure with sophistication. The 2026 California T7 is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's designed for dreamers, explorers, and families who believe that the best stories are found off the beaten path. It carries the soul of the classic VW camper but with the heart and technology of the future. So, What do you think about the new 2026 Volkswagen California T7? Has VW nailed the balance between nostalgia and modern design? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, subscribe to V8 Dreams for more detailed car reviews, future previews, and everything that fuels your automotive passion.